Did you know what you wanted for all these, bro?
Yeah. Just thinking about 220.
220?
Yeah.
You're cool with Apple Pay, right, for everything?
Yeah.
No.
I just bought them just cause
No, no, yeah, anything, bro.
I already know that's why I just bought them.
I'm just trying to add it up in my head real quick. Would you do 120 for everything?
You said 120?
Yeah. I can meet you somewhere a little bit closer to yours, but 120 is kind of where I'd want to be at.
150.
That's fine.
Yeah. You
Appreciate you,
gonna
bro.
send it?
So we just sent him 150 for all these. If you got shoes for sale, I'm always buying.